Hello friends. I wish you could speak different languages without actually learning them, but in my case, I can only speak fluently in English and Urdu, but with the help of AI, I can speak multiple languages. You're wondering how is it, right? Well, check this out. In this video, TikTok CEO speaking in English.
10 years ago, I met with two engineers who were building a product. And the idea behind this was to build a product that recommended content to people not based on who they knew.
This is the same video translated into Hindi.
10 साल पहले मैंने एक प्रोडक्ट बना रहे इंजीनियरों से मिला था। वे मेहनती और सफल रहे। इसकी विचारधारा थी कि एक उत्पाद बनाया जाए जो लोगों को सामग्री की सिफारिश न करके उनके जानने वालों पर आधारित हो।
Did you see that TikTok CEO speaking in Hindi with perfect lip sync? So in this video, we're going to see how to translate your videos into different languages. Before starting video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it and click bell icon so that all my new videos can easily reach you. So without any delay, let's get started. So to translate the video into different languages, we're going to use a tool called Heygen. So just click the link below this video and it'll take you to this page now. Once you're here, just sign in with your Google account. Then here, you can upload the video you want to translate. Now, before we do that, click on this and read all the requirements. Like avoid videos with multiple people, avoid background music and noise, and video resolution. These are the languages into which you can translate a video like French, German, Spanish, and even some regional languages like Hindi, Tamil, and more. Alright, now before you upload your video, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you need to make sure the audio quality is good. Second, don't have multiple people in the video. Make sure there's only one person in the video. Click on this to upload your original video, which you want to translate with other language. And then click on Create New Translation. And then translate directly. From here, select Original Voice of Video. Video I upload is in English, so I select English. Select Number of Speaker. Now from here, select voice in which you want to translate it. Here you can see that there are many languages. You need to select the language in which you want to translate the video. Let's suppose I select Dutch language. Click on Confirm Submission and then Submit Translation. Here you can see that processing has started on this video. As soon as it reaches 100%, our video will be translated. So finally, our video has been translated. Let's play it.
Ongeveer 10 jaar geleden ontmoette ik twee ingenieurs die een product aan het bouwen waren. Het idee hierachter was om een product te ontwikkelen dat aanbevelingen doet op basis van de mensen die ze persoonlijk kennen.
So friends, as you can see, we can easily translate our video in a very simple way. Friends, if you check the pricing of this tool, you'll see that it's not entirely free. Upon your first sign up, you'll get a free plan activated where you'll receive only 1 credit, allowing you to create just 1 video. If you wish to create additional videos, you can opt for their subscription plans. But if you prefer not to subscribe to these plans, I've explained in this video how we can use this tool for free for a lifetime. You'll find the link to this video in the description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.